HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, Trade Reports. In the Settings menu, there are lots of options to help you through your investment journey. One of those options is in the Trade Reports section. In this section, you can download reports that contain all of your activity on the exchange. To access these features, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Navigate to the HubKoin login page, enter your credentials, and click Login. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On the top right-hand corner, you will see a small arrow beside your username. This arrow, when selected, will open a drop-down menu, and from there, you can select Settings. Once on the Settings screen, you will see a menu on the left-hand side. Select Trade Reports to reach the Activity Reporting screen. This is where you will be able to run custom reports. To run a report, select Single Report. A menu will appear on the right-hand side. This menu will allow you to select what kind of report you would like to run and the start and end dates. Under the heading Report Type, you can select the kind of report you wish to run. The types of reports available are Trade Activity, Transaction, Treasury, Product Delta, and Profit and Loss. Under the Report Type section, there are two fields that you can enter in the dates you wish to isolate. When you are satisfied with your selections, select Create. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your request to create a report. If you are satisfied, select Create Report. You will return to the Activity Reporting screen. Click on the Reload arrow to refresh your reports. Your reports will be refreshed, and you should see your new report. Click Download Report to save your report to your device. Reports are in a CSV format. We hope this video has assisted you in understanding how to run reports and is helpful to you on your investing journey.